Get ready for one of Fall 2026's most anticipated releases, the Air Jordan 6 Lite Aqua. Jordan Brand is bringing fresh energy to the iconic Tinker Hatfield design silhouette with a vibrant blue-green colorway accented by mysterious multicolor details. While the exact materials, color placement, and design elements are still under wraps, speculation and early imagery have sneakerheads buzzing. This latest seasonal update keeps the Air Jordan 6 lineup exciting, blending classic style with modern twists that continue to define Jordan Brand's evolution. The Lite Aqua is expected to drop at select Jordan Brand retailers and on Nike.com later this fall. Whether you're a collector, hypebeast, or casual fan, this release promises to make waves in the sneaker community. Stay tuned for official looks, detailed photos, and full release info as it arrives. Don't miss your chance to grab a piece of Jordan history with this fresh, highly anticipated colorway.